என் இனிய தமிழ் மக்களே, இன்றைக்கு எப்படி பிஎல்டிசி மோட்டார் செய்கிறது அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, hello friends, today I am going to make a axial flux PLDC motor. Okay, it requires stator and rotor. Now I am first going to explain how to assemble a stator. Here the bike chain link is taken as a stator core and it was inserted in the PVC sheet. Okay, the stator has 6 poles. Now I am going to what is axial flux motor. Axial flux motor means the flux passes from pole to rotor is parallel to the shaft. This is called axial flux motor. All the stator poles are assembled and I am going to wind the stator poles. Each pole has 150 turns of 32 kg of copper wire. Okay, this is the 3-phase stator, hence 3 set of poles are there. Okay, the starting and finishing ends are noted. The starting ends are shorted and taken a black wire lead, and the other 3 source leads are connected RYG. Okay, now the stator is ready for use. Okay, now the stator part is ready. Now the shaft and bearing is inserted, and then okay, and the rotor is assembled with the neodymium magnets. Okay, the rotor has 8 pole. Okay, and is attached with the metal plate. Okay, now the motor is ready. Okay, the motor does not work directly with the DC supply, and it requires some additional controller, that is called PLDC controller or PLDC drive. Now I am going to connect the PLDC drive with the motor. Of the PLDC controller is 5 volt to 12 volt and the current rating is 1.2 ohms. It can also vary the speed from 0 to 100%, and also forward reverse option is available. Okay, now the motor source leads are connected one by one. Now the source lead positive and negative is connected. The source leads is the power unit from the power unit or the eliminator. Okay, now the PLDC control is connected to the motor and the source. Then the eliminator is connected with the power monitor. Okay, now I am going to switch on the power. The motor going to run and the speed can also vary. The power consumptions of the PLDC motor is 3 to 4 watts. If you like the project, please subscribe and press the bell button and also press the like button. Thank you very much for watching the videos. I am going to measure the speed of the motor with the tachometer, digital tachometer. Okay, the speed can obtained from 1000 to 5000 rpm, maximum 5000 rpm. Okay, so